good things actually do take time, and that's why it has taken me forever to come up with this pasta recipe. But it's here now, and I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, bougiest, baddest pasta you ever make. Let's go, people. Let's go. Here are the ingredients for the pasta, but first let me ask you, have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, please subscribe and like this video, and also share with someone that would like my other videos as well. Now let's make this pasta. So I have my green onions and I have a bulb of purple onions as well. The Penne pasta, this is the brand that I use. And I have my chicken breast that I've marinated in Suya spice and some seasoning. I dropped that in the comment box. I have some minced garlic, red bell peppers, and I also have cooking cream. I have cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, and I have milk and some margarine that I will use to make the cooking cream substitute, just in case you don't have cooking cream at hand. Now, to a pot of boiling water, add some salt. I'm going to now empty my pack of penne pasta into this boiling water. This pack makes about 6 servings for medium sized servings and about 8 servings for small size. I'm going to save a cup of that boiling pasta water. Is liquid gold, literally. I'm saving my pasta. Don't laugh at my sieve. At the same time, I'm running this pasta under cold water so that it stops boiling. I've chopped up my green onions as well as the chicken. Also cut my red bell peppers and chopped up my onions. Next thing I'm going to do is to make the substitute for the cooking cream. I'm just melting margarine and adding the milk, and I'm going to allow it to cook together. Can sprinkle a bit of flour to thicken, but just let it boil for a bit, and then you set aside. Pretty much that's it. If you don't have cooking cream or you don't have access to some, you can use this in the sauce and it works perfectly. Let us take a moment to appreciate my new work. It's so beautiful. Like, I just got it and I'm pretty excited to use it. This is the first meal I'm going to use it to make. So I'm going to fry my onions first. You know, onions is the spice of life. And then you will add your minced garlic as well and just allow that fry for a bit. Next thing, I'm going to pour in my chicken and I'm going to allow it cook. This is so that all the juice from the chicken will be in the sauce directly and I don't have to separate it. So just keep stirring really until the chicken cooks. It looks something like this when it's fully cooked. The sauce is in the pot as well, and then, you know, just add your sauce and everything just mixes together properly. So once it looks something like this, I added my red bell peppers. This looks pretty nice already. Like, the aroma at this point was heavenly. So I mixed in the substitute for cooking cream, but I actually have cooking cream at hand as well. So, but this was just to show that I used it actually, and I'm just not giving a substitute for cooking cream that I would not use. So yeah, I added my cooking cream as well, and then after which I just allowed it to cook for a while. Just stir everything up and allow it cook for a while. Then we season. Favorite season of all time, paprika, baby. You add as much as you like, really. Its seasoning is what you'd like, really. So black pepper, I'm adding as much as I like. Seasoning cubes, just enough. This thing is already really sweet from the marinated chicken, so I just added a cube. I added chili pepper as well. I don't like pepper as much, but you don't want this to not have pepper. It's creamy, so you need a bit of pepper. Suya spice, because suya spice makes everything better. Some more garlic. There's nothing like too much garlic. And ginger powder as well. At this point, Ace Foods, reach out to your girl. I'm a loyal fan. I'm using all your products. Reach out to your girl. But yes, I'm just going to stir in all my seasoning and then allow it to cook for a while as well. I told you guys, this recipe is simple. You just been stirring things in and allowing it to cook. At this point, the sauce is starting to thicken, so I'm going to add like my pasta water that I saved that time. Yeah, I'm adding it. The sauce is loose now, and I'm going to stir in my pasta as well. So like I said, you just keep mixing. Ensure everything is like thoroughly mixed such that you don't have some parts that are not coated in the sauce. Just mix, 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 mix and mix. Look how beautiful this is turning out already. Like, I'm reliving the moments because this meal is far gone, but it looks so nice. I'm just going to allow it to cook. I'm going to add some of the cheese now. If you had like cheese you could sprinkle, that would have been really better, but I don't have that. I have access to just flat pieces of cheese, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of that. This is cheddar and mozzarella, and once it's melted a bit, I'll just stir it in and allow it cover the ones that are underneath as well, so that it doesn't burn. Ensure you keep stirring, because I'm using a wok here, so that's why it's not burning. But if you're using a normal pot, it's probably going to start burning by now, so keep stirring to ensure that it's not burning. And look at how it looks. It's so creamy and it's absolutely delicious. Like, I have reviews from people that ate this meal and they're like, oh, what juju did you put inside? Juju is witchcraft, by the way. What juju did you put inside this food? So last minute, to just make it really beautiful, I'm adding my spring onions, and I'm just going to stir that as well and just allow it cook up as well. But it looks absolutely amazing. This was absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and let me know what you guys think. I am still going to spend some more moments talking about how awesome it looks. Like, it's so creamy. I wish I could dip my fork in it again. And I've eaten this food though. Maybe I should even make this thing over the weekend. This is the final product. It looks like this once it's cooled down a bit. Absolutely amazing. And then I served it up. The chicken is there, so everything is just mwah, chef's kiss. But yeah, it was really nice. I had some grilled chicken breast that I did not like cut up into the mix, so I served it with it and I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos, new videos up every week. Thanks guys, bye.